Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Aaron here, back again for another video. It is super hot today, but I am wearing my URI shirt. But today we have a delivery. This is like a 6-foot package. It's literally as tall as me, but this I think is my bumper. So I'm going to bring this over to the car. So it's not very heavy, but it is like 6 feet tall. But we're gonna bring it to the car. And here we are. So this car is absolutely filthy. You can see, I don't know if it's gonna show up in the video, but all this pollen nastiness. It's disgusting, but we're gonna open this today. So let's check this out. Let's open it from the bottom down here. See if I can do this with one hand. Ugh. Alright, so like I said, I think this is the bumper because it's incredibly long. But yep, looks like it. So here we go. Big bumper. Little paper. Put that in there. Let's see if, I don't know which end this opens up from. So this thing is primed, not painted. So it should just be matte black. But hopefully it's gonna be awesome. It'll look, you know, way better than the current one. Packaging is actually pretty nice for this. All right, check it out. Nice big black, matte black primed bumper. So this thing is gonna look awesome on this car. So there it is, laid up against the current bumper, and you can see this current one, obviously the giant hole and destruction that I caused in that crash. Just from over time, it's got all these rock chips and all these little spots and gross, and it's all pushed out right here from when I crashed. But this one, obviously, it's in fantastic shape, super smooth. It's got, looks like maybe a little defect there, but besides that, it looks great. All the tabs are in good shape. I'm sure all the tabs on this are all destroyed, but this looks great. I'm really excited to get this on. So it doesn't come with the little bottom part that's here, so I'm gonna have to use this one. It's, you know, kind of messed up, kind of broken, but it's better than, you know, whatever. So I'm super excited. So a bunch of other parts are coming in today also. So all the parts that I bought on eBay, they're all shipped. So they're all coming. I think the front, this little upper grill that goes right there, is coming in the mail on its way, I think. And I think this is coming today too. The only thing that's not coming today, I think, is going to be the license plate bracket, that one that I installed in the new parts video, that one. But I think everything else is coming today, so I'll keep you guys posted as to when it comes. I think if it comes today, I'll open that up and just stick it right after this video. But hopefully everything comes in today and it's going to be awesome.
2 hours later.
Alright, so the mail's come, but before I check the mail, I want to show you guys this. This is my dad's new 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It's awesome. Just got a brand new tire cover. You can have a ladder right here. It's got all the cool, this I think is aftermarket little FJ stuff that goes all around. I got him new mirror lights, so these little lights that are in here are brighter than the stock ones. It's awesome. It's covered in pollen too. This thing's super cool. Super happy for him. He's wanted this thing forever, so I'm happy that he got it. Alright, here it is. Alright, so we got one more piece to the puzzle. Pretty cool stuff. Let's open this up and check it out. So it's nice that this guy put like fragile stickers on both sides. That's kind of cool. Very nicely wrapped. So this is the upper grill, like I said, and it does have some overspray. It looks like kind of worse than I thought. There's some red, there's some yellow, but I think we can fix that up. I think we can fix this, but this is pretty cool. All right, so this piece is supposed to go here. So, oh my God, this is all messed up. So the two tabs are oh man, this is missing that middle tab too. Wow, what a piece of junk. The old one is right here with the license plate frame that is also coming in the mail. this is the current one, mine. So this is destroyed. But at least now I guess my little tab thing broke too. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I guess I might try to call him or something and figure it out, but this is kind of not what I had planned. Alright, it's a new day, new haircut, same me, but I did do a lot on this part, so I did figure out what I was going to do with this. So I talked to the guy. Here's a nice clean Celica, just washed it. There's the bumper. I talked to the guy and he gave me back $20 on the $45 part, so not too bad. And I was able to paint it black. This was supposed to be chrome paint, but it turned out to be silver paint. So I'm going to definitely make this chrome. I still have to glue it on as well. So this is all nice and black, which is pretty cool. But I did snap off one of the tabs, so that was kind of like the main purpose pretty much. I was testing it on this bumper and I was seeing how it fit back here. So it comes in from the back side like this, and this little tab fits in that hole right there. And so when I was trying to get it out after I already put it in, okay, not like that, but anyway, when I was taking it back out, this little tab snapped off, so that's not super cool. But besides that, it fits in the part pretty good, so I still have to paint that chrome. So overall, got my $20 back, and I was able to, you know, get it back to almost where it should be, so black. It'll be chrome soon, so that's kind of cool. But the hood did come in today, so let's unbox that right now. Alright, I apologize about the wind noise. I know it's super windy right now, but check this thing out. My shadow's on it. Look how, like, oh, let me get the sun in it. Look at that. Look at that. That giant egg spot on my car is like here-ish. There's obviously the giant crunch right there. There's a big, like, tear right over there. Look at this crappy hood. There's a big ol' scuff. I don't know. I think it's coming out in the video. Scuff there. There's the egg. There's where the tire hit it. There's a little fold over there where the hood crunched in. So this hood is gonna look awesome on this car. So now we got like all the parts. We got new bumper, new little Toyota logo thing that I don't want to put in there because it'll snap off the other tab. This whole mangled mess is gonna look incredible with these new parts. I'm so excited. So in other news, I did find the guy I'm taking it to as well. It's this super cool dude. He said $1,000 to fix everything. I got a couple quotes. One guy said 800 just for the front. This guy I'm going to said 1,000 for the whole, the side, all the like the rust down here. He said he would kind of touch that up. That big old side dent, he said he would fix that up. Look at this. I just washed this thing and it's already covered. This is ridiculous. But this guy said 1,000 for the whole thing, which is awesome. The other guy I went to gave me some crazy high number. He said like 3,600 for the side and the front, which is absolutely ridiculous. No way I'm doing that with this old 20-year-old car, but 1,000 is awesome. I hope that makes it last. Keep it for another like 2 years or something, and then get rid of the car, move on to something else. But that's about it for this video. Cool part delivery, got a bunch of parts. I'm not going to show the front license plate bracket. That's already been covered in another video. I'll tag that right up here and in the description below. But that's about it for this video. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.